my name is Joy Orji, aka OJ. I'm a 3D design specialist at Plugstuck. I'm passionate about exploring creativity, and being a 3D design artist gives me this freedom. Using powerful design tools like 3D Max, Maya, Blender, I'm able to create 3D photorealistic architectural scenes, product models, and cartoon characters. My curiosity about 3D modeling spurred me to start out my career in 2010, and since then I've developed strong analytical skills and ability to detect a problem and solve it systematically. I've been able to expand my creative imagination using shapes, lights, and shadow to create optical effects. This has helped improve my spatial intelligence, which is a good understanding of 3D dimensional space. These are essential skills that can help anyone succeed as a 3D designer. In this course, I'll take you through the basics of 3D modeling and animation. Learn how to walk your way around the software environment and how to use the basic tools needed for creating an animation project. Next, you will move on to create photorealistic environments using 3D Max and V-Ray rendering. Subsequently, you will get into 3D character modeling and animation using Blender. And here, you bring your creativity to life, your 2D paper drawn character into 3D sculpts. You will add texturing, rendering, etc. and finally animate your 3D character. You will require the following in this course: PC with at least 2 GB RAM size with a good processor speed, sketchpad, pencil, and a creative mind. All downloadable software will be provided, including free license version. See you.